Hello children, let us start the first chapter. What is the name of the chapter? Who is the wisest? Who is the wisest? First, let us read the chapter, then I shall make the explanation. There were in a village 4 men who were experts in medicine. They were considered to be the cleverest and the most knowledgeable across the world. People often went to them for advice and also to find solutions to their extremely difficult problems. One day, a young boy in the village got a serious doubt. He asked, "Which of the 4 men is the wisest? There must surely be one wiser than the other 3." This caused much arguing and debating among the people in the village. To settle the matter, an old man put the 4 men through a test. He said to the 4 wise men, "Walk into the woods. You will find your test at the base of a deodar tree." The 4 men started out. Early the next morning, eager to take the test. They walked many miles and came to the deodar. At the base of the tree was a large pile of bones. They appeared to be those of small animals. So children, we are going to learn about the first chapter, who is the wisest. So there was a village. In that village there were 4 men who were experts in the medicine. What do you mean by experts? What do you mean by experts? A person who is skillful in a particular field. So there were 4 experts in medicine. They were considered to be the cleverest and most knowledgeable across the world. So, the 4 men were considered the most cleverest, means what? Most intelligent, and knowledgeable means they know all the solutions for the problems related to the medicine across the world. So all the people went to them. For the problems, to find solution for the difficult problems. So one day a young boy in the village got a serious doubt. He asked, "Which of the 4 men is the wisest?" He thought. So there was a young boy in the village. He got a serious doubt. He asked, "Which are the 4 men is the wisest?" So he had a question. So there were 4 men, right? They were all experts. So, but he had a doubt. Out of 4, who is the wisest? So he thought. So which of the 4 men is the wisest? There must be surely one wiser than the other 3. So he thought, out of 4 intelligent people, clever people, one will be wise. Who is that? He wanted to know. This caused much arguing and debating. So all the people in the village started to argue with one another. One said, that fellow is good in academics, the other person is knowledgeable. So they had an argument. They started a debate. What do you mean by debate? an argument expressing different views, right? An argument expressing different views. To settle the matter, an old man had a plan. So an old man put the four men through the test. So an old wise man had a plan. He told that let us conduct a test. So let us see who will pass the test out of 4 people. So that person will be the wisest person. So he said to the 4 wise men, walk into the woods. You will find your test at the base of a deodar tree. So the old man said to the 4 men that you walk into the forest. There will be a deodar tree. Below the tree there will be a test for you. Okay, so can you see here the 4 men went into the forest. The 4 men started out early the next morning. Okay, what do you mean by a deodar? A conical tree seen in the Himalayas. It's a type of a tree. You know banyan tree, coconut tree, right? The same way, deodar tree means a conical tree which is in the Himalayas. Okay. So, the 4 men started out. What do you mean by started out? They set out for a journey. Early the next morning. All the 4 were very eager. They were very wanting. They were, what is the test? What is the state? They wanted to know. So at the base of the tree was a large pile of bones. As you can see, all the 4 early in the morning left for the forest, and below the deodar tree they saw a pile of bones. They appear to be those of some animals. They looked similar to bones of some animals.